Well, when I started this unit, I was wondering about systems, but then I erased it kind of, and I got into the eye and the brain. And when I first looked at it, I just wrote down what I thought would happen. I wrote down, eyes are sensitive to the light. The pupil gets smaller when there is more light and bigger when there is less light. The optic nerve is connected to the nervous system brain, which allows the eye to move. That is not true. The iris is the thing around the pupil. It comes in various colors, and the color of a newborn baby develops. That was done without any research. The eye has many color cells. When the cells see the color they represent, they go through the optic nerve and to the brain until the brain it sees a certain color it represents. That's what let you see in color. The iris is really a colored muscle. Color cells are called cones. The eyes are part of the nervous system. And then I just drew myself a little diagram, which is here.
So you kind of gained an understanding of how the eye works.
No, this was done with barely any research, and then there's a few things to cure eye problems. I'll just give you things to cure the eye problems I have. Like, for example, cold water free sardines called Marco tuna. I eat a lot of those, and they have.
So would that be lifestyle?
Yeah, that would be lifestyle, I guess.
Because they're choosing what to eat, and those types of foods are good for the eyes, you're saying?
No, they're not good for particularly the eyes. They are good for basically dry eyes, which is one of the things I have, and because I ate a lot of those, they kind of went down.
Okay.
And
so there is a connection between what you eat and how your eyes function.
And here's another one, the spinach, kale, and green leafy vegetables. I don't have lutein or zeaxanthin, but I learned on the internet that it's also good for the allergies, good for the eyes, and I don't eat any spinach, and I have no idea what kale is, and I don't eat any leaf, but I eat green vegetables a lot, and
Okay.
well, but my allergy.
So would you say that diet can affect the functioning of your eyes? Yes?
Yeah.
No?
Yeah, I think it can.
Okay.
There's lots of other things. I'm not going to find anything.
Well, that was just kind of a record of your notes and things that you were reading, right? So.
And then I have this thing here, which is with a bit of research. Some people need glasses because everyone's eyes are different in the way they work and how well they see. The most common vision problems happen because the light isn't refracting into your eye properly. Refracting means bending light rays. These vision problems happen because the cornea is not shaped well, cornea, and it focuses the light unevenly. There are other problems, for example, allergies and dry eyes, hungry. And there's also lazy eyes and farsightedness, nearsightedness. I have those things too. The pupil makes me think black, and black makes me think of deep. Deep makes me think dark. Dark makes me think that there's no light. Light makes me think of how the iris lets the pupil expand and lets light into the eye. So that's just many connections, and they're connections of how I can get from the pupil into the pupil. And now I do another diagram here of how you see a tree, or anything really. The light comes from the bottom of the tree and it comes like this, hits your retina, and you see the tree kind of upside down. When it goes through the optic nerve, your brain turns it right side up for you. And your eyes, it works a lot like a camera. For example, the lens and the retina, but it's like 999 quadrillion, 999 trillion, 999 billion, 999 billion, 999,199. It's the biggest number I can see. Is it? Times better.
Better than a camera. That many times better than a camera.
It's bigger, but better. And now there's this thing. And
What was this for?
this was actually for the voice thread, but
Kind of a script for your voice thread?
yeah.
Okay.
The pupil. Well, there's a few ways to cure your eye problems. One way is glasses. Another way is to take contact lenses, which are kind of like the lenses of my glasses, just they're smaller and rounder, and you drop them into your eye, take them out in the evening and clean them. And then there's laser surgery. It's when an eye doctor uses laser to reshape your cornea, and yeah.
Cool.
So if a lifestyle choice to keep your eyes healthy, if I play cricket, baseball or hockey, then it might be better to wear a helmet so that it doesn't hit your eye, and if it's really sunny then it might be better to wear sunglasses.